Hi guys, welcome to my first video of Taylor Roblox. Today we are going to be playing a Roblox game. And I'm really excited because this is my first thing. So here's my go follow me on this username. But today we are going to be playing Royal High. And I've been playing this and it's like super fun and I love playing it. And I love to roleplay. Let me turn it down. Okay guys, so here, you turn it down. I don't know how.
All the basics of education and learning. That's me.
So here is, oh, I just teleported to Royal High. And I'm going to show you my avatar that I did. So, yeah. So guys, here is me. My name is Crystal. And if you guys see me, don't forget to say hi. And I'm really excited because I think I'm going to gain a lot of subscribers on this channel. Okay, so let's go up. Oh, thank you. I have this. Sorry, Mass, it's being a little loud. Okay, so, whoa. I usually go to the other server, but I've never been to this one. Wow. Should I go? Let's claim this locker. And okay. Oh, let's go to computer class. Woo! Guys, I keep falling. Okay, so I don't have my book. Here we go. So it says time script. Type the code. Oh yeah, I don't have my book. Okay, so P X X N R E P N P C K Y H C.
Sleep.
J. Oh no. S W J V H D E R E P T J S D. This is really fun. I love Royal Oh! I got an A+! Okay guys, so the recording system, my sister is kind of loud, so I will do another video of this. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe.